Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this ring donut, 300 pieces of ring donut. So I'll be sharing with you all the measurements, the price, and all that go behind the scene of making this lovely soft donuts. All the flour I'll be needing for this donut is 6 gram, but my mixer cannot take that, so I'll be doing it 2 gram at a time. So here is me measuring 2 gram of flour. Then I'll add in the sugar. So I'll be using 400 gram of sugar. Then 45 gram of yeast for 2 kg of flour. Then add in the butter, which is 100 gram of butter. So that is all I'll be using for this donut. Then I'll add in the milk flavor and add in the water. So I'm going to be leaving all the measurements of the ingredients in my description box. The one that will go in for 2 kg and for the 6 kg of the whole 300 pieces of the donut. So I'll add in 3 eggs to 2 kg of flour. That means total we are using 9 eggs. So it's time for me to mix the flour until we get a stretchy dough. So here the flour is splashing, so I'll be covering it up so that the dust will not be disturbing. I'll continue to mix until we get a stretchy dough. If you have a big mixer, you can as well join everything together to mix. You see how stretchy this is. For you to know that your donuts have come out well, see how stretchy it is and very light. So I'm done mixing this 2 kg. I'll bring it out. Then I'll work on that before mixing another dough. So I'm just trying to bring it together before cutting it. So I'll cut it into 4 and work on it one after the other. So I'll use my rolling pin to stretch it out. It's not supposed to be flat. It's going to be like 6 millimeter. The thickness should be 6 mm. So I'll use my donut cutter to cut it. If you don't have this donut cutter, you can as well look for a round shape cup and cut it. Then you look for a smaller one to cut the middle side. That is all. It's as simple as that. So I'll bring it together again and roll it out. This is how I'll continue to make it until I get my 300 pieces of ring donut, fluffy ring donuts. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, You are welcome to Unique Digital Space. Please don't go without subscribing. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this beautiful video because I know you love this video. So I'm going to be covering it and allow it to proof for like 40 to 45 minutes, depends on the weather, how hot your area is. So after 45 minutes, this is how the donuts have proof, and it is time for us to start frying. To be frank guys, I've gone far before I remember that I'm making content out of these donuts. Like I said, it's a lot. This has been showing you how I fry it. Please don't let your flame to be too high so that you get it right. It will not burn and the inside will not done. You can see how fresh the skin is. It's not burnt and it will done evenly. It depends on your area and how you want to cost this, but per one of this is 400. But when you are doing large quantity, it can be 300, 350. It depends on how you get your material. Then you do your calculation and set your price. This is all guys. After this, I will allow it to cool before packaging it. Remember, when you are doing your costing, the oil, flour, sugar, butter, and the packaging leather, everything should be inclusive in your costing before putting your price. And here we are guys. This is our fluffy ring donuts. If you have watched to this extent, that means you love this video. Please kindly share, like, and comment. This is the leather I'm using to package these donuts. This is the way I'll package everything. The 300 pieces, I'll pack it one inside this leather. Thank you all so much for your support. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you all in my next one. Bye.